Welcome to the Science Cast class. I am Miss Mitchin, and I am here to talk to you today about hot deserts. First, let's talk about what is a hot desert. Just by the sounds of it, we already know that a hot desert is extremely hot and dry. Hot deserts can be found in North America, southwestern U.S., Mexico, and Australia. This means that deserts cover a large portion of Earth's surface, about 20% worth. Here's a picture for everyone to see. The three elements that make up a hot desert are weather, plants, and animals. The weather in a hot desert is usually 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot to be outside when the sun is out unless there is water around at all times. Plants store water inside to keep them hydrated. Animals are nocturnal and only come out during nighttime. Next, we will talk about how living things survive in a hot desert. For instance, plants have adapted to the harsh living conditions in a hot desert. Certain plants can only survive in a hot desert. Most of them are ground-hugging or are short, woody trees, like the cacti and Joshua tree. These trees are adapted to storing nutrients and water inside them. These trees have long roots so they can easily soak up water when rain falls. And most of them are prickly, so animals won't try to eat them and suck out all the water inside them. Desert animals only survive because they adapted to bury themselves underground during the day when the sun is the most strongest. This means that most animals are nocturnal, meaning they come out at night when it's cooler. Some animals that are capable of doing this and survived for many, many years in a hot desert are scorpions, coyotes, and rattlesnakes. People that live in hot deserts are used to these weather conditions. People usually wear turbans or some hat to protect their head and drink plenty of water. Just like I explained about the plants and animals, people too adapt to these harsh weather conditions, as long as they stay hydrated. Learning about a hot desert is really important. We need to understand the key points to what makes up a hot desert and how plants, animals, and people survive the weather conditions. We live on Earth, so we should know about what other places around us are like. Thank you for joining me today as we learned all about the hot desert. I'll see you next time when we study about the water cycle.